Windows 365 isn't just another service, it's the beginning of a cloud OS revolution that could change computing forever. Imagine a world where your entire operating system lives in the cloud, accessible from any device. This is the future Windows 365 hints at, leading to ultra-affordable, disposable devices. Windows 365 fundamentally changes where your PC operates. It streams your personalized Windows experience, including all your apps, data, and settings, directly from the Microsoft Cloud to any device. While it requires a subscription and a host device, Windows 365 is the critical first step, proving the model for a fully cloud-based operating system. This concept paves the way for the broader cloud OS revolution, where traditional desktop computing as we know it disappears. The core transformation involves shifting nearly all compute power, processing, and storage away from the local hardware to massive, centralized cloud infrastructure, like data centers. By moving the operating system and applications to the cloud, we completely decouple the software experience from the local hardware limitations, creating consistency across all access points. So what does this mean for the physical devices we use every day? Local hardware transitions into a simple access terminal. It becomes essentially a screen, keyboard, and network connector, focusing only on streaming the display and capturing input. The necessary hardware components shrink dramatically. You no longer need powerful CPUs, large storage, or dedicated graphics for high-end applications. That's all handled remotely. This simplification makes ultra-low-cost devices not just possible, but inevitable, leading to the projected $20 disposable computer. Manufacturing an ultra-low-cost device becomes feasible with minimal processing requirements, allowing for incredibly cheap components, mass production, and simple assembly. This opens up vast new use cases, like providing full-featured computing to every student globally, simplifying temporary setups, and enhancing accessibility. Looking ahead, the consequences of this shift are profound for both consumers and businesses. The traditional cycle of constantly upgrading your PC to run newer software effectively comes to an end. Hardware obsolescence related to software demands becomes a thing of the past. We move into a, quote, device-as-a-service future, where the power of your PC is dictated by your cloud subscription, not the plastic shell in your hands. Windows 365 truly marks a significant turning point in personal computing history. Remember that Windows 365, by successfully delivering a cloud-based OS, proved that the underlying infrastructure for this massive shift is ready. Thank you for watching. What do you think about the future of the cloud OS? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into tech innovation.